Yum! So welcome to delicious watermelon Gatorade.
This is super hydrating, gonna help your sports performance. This is our go-to sports and energy drink, and it's something we couldn't recommend more.
We are basing this around whole food ingredients, and each ingredient has been specifically chosen for its recovery or performance benefit. So you can use this as a framework to customize your own energy drink if you wanted to.
Often sports and energy drinks are packed full of artificial preservatives, colorings, and foods you don't necessarily want to take. This is natural, using whole food ingredients, and it's incredibly tasty.
This is a juice. We are using our Nama J2 juicer, which is our go-to best juicer on the market.
Possibly the best juice in the world. Main ingredient, we're going to base this on watermelon, surprisingly, with our watermelon Gatorade. Watermelon, 92% water, packed full of magnesium, potassium, and L-citrulline. All these can help with muscle recovery as well as rehydrating and filling you full of electrolytes. So we don't want the skin because the skin's quite bitter, so we're just going to take the flesh out.
A lot of people think that simply by drinking lots of water, it's going to hydrate them. But unless you're getting the base minerals right, your cells will not absorb the water, such as having the right proportion of sodium or salt and some form of sweetener so that your cells can actually absorb the water to avoid muscle soreness, such as DOMS.
In goes our watermelon, which is the base of this juice.
So we've got approximately a kilo of watermelon, de-skinned. Next ingredient we have is cucumber, which is very cooling and obviously very high in water.
Okay, celery has some magnesium, potassium, which helps with natural electrolyte balancing.
It's also anti-inflammatory, so post any kind of workout, it really helps with muscle recovery.
One of our key flavors here is ginger, which is going to help with circulation and optimizing blood flow.
Next ingredient is lime. Lime is adding vitamin C. It's also helping with the absorption of some of the minerals as well. But primarily it's a flavor enhancer, and it's going to really add a nice depth and kind of accentuate the sweetness within this juice. Our Nama J2 juicer, what's amazing about it, it's got only 45 revolutions a minute, so it really will maintain all of these vitamins and minerals and electrolytes within it.
It's also hands-free juicing.
So we could do a quick workout while our juice is being made.
3, 2, 1. Oh. That is a lot of juice. Smells amazing.
Wow. Here it is.
Smells amazing. Love the color. We're going to add in some chia seeds. Chia seeds will bring the fourth phase of water, which is
chia seeds are amazing. They will become very gelatinous. They actually become the fourth phase of water, so really help hydration from your stomach, from internally. So they really are amazing in this context.
And last thing, add in a little bit of maple syrup. This is going to bring more energy as well as helping with our electrolyte function.
And then finally, a little nice pinch of salt, which is obviously bringing the sodium. It'll help with the mineral absorption and with the electrolytes. If you want to customize this as per your own unique needs, if you want to enhance the electrolyte aspect of it, the recovery aspect, add a little bit more salt. This will help with the transfer of the electrolytes and the absorption of them. If you want to add more, if you want more performance out of your drink, to drink before you actually go to the gym or go for a run or whatnot, add a little bit more maple syrup. The simple carbohydrate will give you a natural boost. For more recovery in terms of reducing inflammation, add more ginger or turmeric. These will definitely help with the post-workout or post-exercise recovery.
Here we go. Look at this. It looks beautiful. It looks light and juicy at the same time, which might sound like a bit of a contradiction.
And a great thing about this recipe is you're going to get approximately a litre, if not more. These are great. The great thing about a Nama J2 juicer is that it makes the best quality juice that will last for a number of days in the fridge. I very often will juice a number of litres at a time and store them in bottles in my fridge.
The chia seeds will thicken over time and add a little bit more body to this.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. To your good health. Oh, yum.
Like the idea of salt in a drink might sound weird, but it is so tasty. The chia seed add a little bit of body to it.
Delicious. Final thing which I meant to say, in terms of if you are engaging in lots of performance and you did want to enhance the hydration throughout your drink, add more chia seeds. This will enhance the hydration over a longer term basis. So there we have it. Delicious, natural watermelon Gatorade made from whole food ingredients. Fantastic. Couldn't recommend it more. Let us know down below what you think of it. If you make it, let us know what you thought of it and what you do in terms of your performance energy drinks. We'd love to know. We used our Nama J2 juicer, which is fantastic. If you are interested in buying it, you get a 10% discount. We'll put the code down below.
Thanks, Mel, for watching. Loads of love.
Bye.